250 years have passed since freedom's flame was raised at last. A dream was born for all to see, a nation built on liberty. From every shore and every land, we came with hope and hearts in hand. Through trials faced and battles won, our story shines beneath the sun. The stars still light our faithful way. The stripes remind us every day. Together strong, together true, red, white, and proud, through and through. Happy birthday, America, land of the brave, forever free. From mountain peaks to oceans wide, your spirit lives in you and me. We'll raise our flag up to the sky. With grateful hearts, we'll proudly say, God bless America always, for 250 years today. The words declared so long ago still guide the path where freedom grows, that every soul deserves a chance to dream, to live, to proudly stand. Our voices rise from every state, different stories, one shared fate. United by the hope we share, a brighter future we prepare. We'll honor those who came before, who gave their all for something more, and hand this promise to our youth. With courage, justice, faith, and truth, may freedom's light forever shine across this blessed land of mine. Happy birthday, America. Our hearts beat strong in red, white, and blue. 250 years of hope, and still there's so much left to do. We'll stand together, hand in hand, united as one family. God bless this great and cherished land, the home of hope and liberty. May Old Glory proudly wave above the free and over the brave, for generations, yeah.